get rid of him. Alright, very nice. Okay, great. Now I just need the gun. Whoops, my bad. Didn't want to do that. Did I throw the gun with him? Oh my gosh, I'm so bad at this game. I did throw the gun with him. Okay, so I guess I'm gonna stick with the knife. And now we can go to the 6th floor for the laptop. Yeah, that was pretty gruesome splatter. Pretty hardcore. Okay, I think I'm gonna walk through here. What's this? Ooh. I'm gonna leave that here because I can't hide that. The axe. Alright, let's head to the 6th floor and hope this works. I just need to get across the hall. And there's only 2 guys over there, but I hope they don't spot me. There it is. We gotta get over there. Okay. He's busy looking down there. That's perfect. And this guy has no problem with me. Yes.
Hi.
Hello. Finally made it. We finally made it to the top, guys. Okay. And this is the door I'm talking about. Here's the laptop. And we're gonna break it with the lockpick. Oh, I could have just used the lockpick. Okay, so for future references, you don't need the crowbar. Okay, let's quickly hack it. And hope no one comes by. See, here's the window I was talking about. I was trying to get into the window because then we wouldn't have to go for the door. Okay, we got everything. Now we just need to exit. Oh, okay, so you can't enter or exit the window. I thought you could. What about the balcony here? Alright, there's my exit down there. Alright, guys, let's exit this place. And this is cool that you can climb these train pipes. I'll just show you guys real quick. We got a real nice view of the city. That was real tight.